Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video. We'll be doing slow spinal movements today, working on improving our spinal mobility, doing gentle, deliberate movements. I'm going to start with my back facing you. That's because I need you to see my spine as I move from side to side or rotating it. From the back, you'll be able to see it much clearer. So we're going to start by shifting the spine from side to side. Now, if you can't really straighten your legs, it's okay. You can also bend your legs, or you can put your legs in diamond shape. The important thing is try to have your pelvis rooted on the ground. So stretch out your arms, have your palms face up, and move your spine side to side. And then move your spine in rotation. Feel like you're rotating right on top of the pelvic axis. Make sure your head is not turning ahead of the spine, yeah? So we're going to continue with the same movements. Let's do a second set, but I'm facing front now only because it's just right to face the camera. Exactly the same. Shift your spine from side to side. The movement range is not big here, so don't try to go too far out. We don't want the sit bone to be lifted. And when you're ready, stretch both arms out, palms face up, and continue shifting your spine from side to side. I have to apologize here. I have the base of my feet right up, kind of facing the camera, facing you. Might be a bit rude, and I'm sorry, forgot about this point. I should have worn a pair of toe socks. Now, and then here we start to rotate the spine. If you can straighten the legs, try to straighten it as much as possible and flex it. Moving your whole unit, head, neck, and shoulders and spine as one, yeah? Now from here, turn to your right, chest on top of your right thigh, reach out as far front as possible, and try to straighten your spine. If you can't reach your toes, you can also reach out to your shin. Try to straighten your spine by looking slightly upwards, giving your spine a nice, good, deep stretch. We're not just stretching the spine here, we're also lengthening it out from the pelvis to the base of the head. And then from here, try to move from one foot to another by going across the front in a semicircle direction, putting your hands on the floor if you can, walking your hands on the floor. Bend one knee in, side bend to one side. Again, if you can't reach your toes, you can hold your shin, it's fine, or your knee, absolutely okay. You don't have to hold in this stretch. We want to do it continuously to open up the ribs on the opposite side. Try to stay as frontal as possible. And how do you know if you're frontal? You should be looking at the vision in front of your eyes, not up or down. This is different from yoga. There's no drishti here. Look right ahead, yeah? Don't look up. Curl your spine as you try to reach your forehead down. Arching your spine, looking diagonally up, straightening it as much as possible. A good gauge will be your elbows. As you curl your spine, bend your elbows. As you arch your spine, straighten your elbows. From here, bring your legs in, and we're going to start to lengthen the lower back. Push your hands down so that your pelvis lifts a little bit, about an inch off the floor. This may not look like a typical spinal movement, but it is because we are lengthening our lower back. It gives us the release in our lumbar region, very much needed. Press yourself up, bring your pelvis up, and slowly bring it down. Now from here, you're going to start to bring your pelvis back and forth. Let your pelvis float an inch off the floor as you gently swing it front and back. Doing it the same now, but going side to side, right to left, left to right. Note that you need a fair bit of upper body strength, so you're not just lengthening the lower back, you're also strengthening your triceps. Yes, the tabletop position, push your pelvis up, bring it down. If you need to, put your pelvis down on the floor, but if not, try not to touch the floor. Slowly bringing your pelvis down. It doesn't matter how high you go. If you can, make your body and thighs parallel with the floor, but if not, it's okay. The important thing is we bring our pelvis up and down, lengthening the entire back. Putting your legs in diamond shape now. Arms reach backwards here, palms face up. Try to see if you can allow your arms not to move. It's your spine that is moving, rolling the shoulders back. And then arching your chest diagonally up, fingertips touching the floor. Palms face up, roll shoulders back, round the spine, reach your forehead down as much as possible. Arching your spine, bringing your chest diagonally up, palms touching the floor if possible. Your legs are active here. Keep your knee high because we are activating the inner thigh. Do this movement very slowly. It's a very nice release for our shoulders and our spine here. Repeat this whole set if you like. And that is all I have for today. Keep moving, keep getting better. Short and sweet. Remember to keep moving. Remember to like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. And also remember, we are born to move. Our body loves it when we move. Take care, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.